Alrighty, here's a neat little piece of safety equipment we just put in the truck. You can get these off of Temu, super inexpensive, but they are invaluable in the event of an emergency and need to get out of the vehicle. Each person in the front gets to have access to it, and I got more coming for the back seat. So let's assume that you're in an emergency and you need to get out of the vehicle. Your doors aren't opening, you need to get out of the window. You grab this comes out. This end here with the strap on it has the built-in seat belt cutter, and you just run the seat belt through that and it cuts the strapping. And this end here, you pull the cap off, and it has this little black component which you press against the glass and it instantly shatters the glass, and that'll enable you to get out of the vehicle in a hurry. So really important. Have these in your car, super inexpensive. Hope I never have to use it, but if I need it, at least I know I've got it. All right, folks, stay safe out there. We'll talk soon.